Hello friends, this is Satish Aire. Today I am going to teach you how to convert language of any website into your regional language. This technique is beneficial to those who have language barriers. Let's get started. Write in the search box Google Translate Chrome extension. Here you will get many suggestions. Among these, select Google Translate Chrome extension. After clicking on this, you will get the first link where Google Translate is mentioned. Click on this Google Translate Chrome Web Store. Then new interface will open. To the right hand side of this interface, you will get an option Add to Chrome. Click on this option. Then small message will pop up on this interface. On the left hand side, you will get an option Add extension. Then click on it. After complete installation, just click on this extensions option. Here you will get the name of extension as a Google Translate. In front of this, you will get a pin option. Click on it. Extension is added to this menu bar. Then just close this message. After installation of this Google Translate, you can go to any website. Here I will take an example of Wikipedia. Open this Wikipedia website. This Wikipedia is free encyclopedia. First, I will take an example of English language. All the contents on this website are in English language. If I want to convert this language of web page into regional language, then just click on this Google Translate icon which is present on the right hand side. After clicking, you will get such type of small interface. Click on this Translate this page option. Here you will get a new row where translated to English is there. I want to change this English language into regional language. If I consider the example of Hindi, then just click on this Hindi language. All the contents of this website are converted into Hindi. If I want to convert in another languages which are present on this list, if I want to convert it into Punjabi language, then select just this Punjabi language. All the contents of this website are converted into Punjabi language. Then if I want to convert this unknown language, I don't know which language is this one. I just click on it. I want to read this content. Then just click on this right hand side icon of Google Translate. Then click on Translate this page. Then you have to select the language. Here we already select this Punjabi language. Therefore, all the contents are converted into Punjabi language. Complete website from top to bottom is converted into this Punjabi language. If I want to convert it into Hindi, then just select this Hindi language. All the contents are converted into Hindi languages. In this way, you can convert any website. By using this Google Translate Chrome extension, you can convert any language of website into your regional language. If I want to read all the content in original language, then just click on this Show Original option. This method is useful for those people who have language barriers. I hope it will beneficial to all of you. Thank you.